In this tutorial, I will show you warp tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. I am accessing warp tool from here. I am right clicking and warp tool here. Shift plus R is the shortcut of it. So I am accessing it. You can easily make liquid effect with it. The effect is very vibrant because I am double clicking it and you can see I am making the intensity 80%. The intensity is now 80% and detail 2%, simplify 76%. That's why it is working. Working effect is too much. You can see the effect is robust. But if I make it intensity say 25%, then you can see the effect is not too much. It will work. It is working slowly. So there is another option, making this brush size easily changing inside the warp tool. You just need to, I am holding down Alt from the keyboard and I am dragging the brush in the lower part, and you can see I can easily change the brush size, dragging the cursor upper and in the lower side. Also I can make it vertical in the dragging to the left and right side. So I am making this type of brush. So I am now, it is intensity is too smaller percentage, so I am making it 70%. So now you can see the effect will be now more vibrant than previous. I am making this, I am making this, and I am making this. So you need to select the shape, and also you can change the brush parameters by dragging, holding down Alt from the keyboard and dragging it out or left and right. And also you just double clicking here and you will get global brush dimensions, width, height, angle, intensity. You can change that. You can also change the brush tip from here, and wrap options, detail and simplify. Actually will smoothing the effects. So I hope you got this tool, warp tool, inside Adobe Illustrator. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.